next. We got lasagna ravioli, some basic tomato sauce, and ultimate garlic baguette.
Ultimate garlic.
And all of that was £6, so they have a little like meal deal, like pasta meal deal, and orange juice.
Yeah. Two-tone, wristwatch, paddock, new phone, bad bitch, I had to bag it. Big drugs, no shit, I'm an addict. Keep that white on me like a fucking Dallas Maverick.
Little close up.
Try to hit me up, I just work in silence. Bitches start to notice too, I wreck the box is violent. Ice on me, that shit keep my fingers dripping. I guess it's why I'm splashing on these niggas, Scottie Pippen, yeah. I do what I wanna. Walk around the city, backpack full of marijuana. We gon' turn up all night, party till the summer. You ain't a real nigga if you pull up with the gunner. I'm in my bag, I'm born to do this, it's not an option. We in the cab, we going stupid, all back concoctions. We in the lab, we dreaming lucid, I see the coffin. The pills we popping, they think we crazy, I do this often, man. Shit. That's how it is, nigga.
So it's almost 8 right now. We've had our cute little dinner and now we're changed and ready because we're going to this like Saint release party or like release show in central London, which is pretty exciting.
I'm so excited.
Because I like
so
one
good.
ticket, kind of. We're currently making a coffee before we go. Late night coffee. A little late night coffee. I always have a coffee before I go out because I get so tired at like 11 and then I'm like, okay, I need to sleep. So I need to constantly be caffeinated when I'm going out late at night.
Black dress in the house, the mic is in my hand, chameleon is on the mix, if you wing it represent. The time we had was good but the head you gave was banging. We never talked but the audio was jamming. You were the shit, granting wishes I'm Aladdin. Don't disturb was on the handle, he was on the purple satin. Don't camel up the feeling, I wanna see you open, covered up in paint. I get the brush, you get the coating. I'm stretching out the bars, but keep it tight cause I'm the vote 6-4B.
I got salmon and scrambled eggs on toast and an oat milk latte.
I'm just interrupting the video for a second to talk about Rhino Shield. Rhino Shield is a great brand for tech accessories like phone cases and grips, as well as protection for Apple Watches and AirPods. One of my favourite parts about pretty much all of Rhino Shield's products is the amount of customization available, featuring designs from Snoopy, NBA, Rick and Morty, NASA, and lots more. Plus, you can get cases with your own photos or custom text on. Of course, if you're looking for something simple like a clear case or like a solid colour, they have that to offer. Other than looking great, their accessories and cases also offer great protection. My current favourite case is this Keith Haring design one. This is a solid suit protective case, comes in lots of other colours and designs. Using their shock spread technology, this case provides a tight fit with flexibility and durability, as well as being thin and lightweight, meaning it can absorb impact of over 11 feet. As well as their cases, Rhino Shield offers screen protectors and camera protectors, meaning your phone has 360-degree coverage. And like I mentioned earlier, Rhino Shield offers a huge range of phone grips, meaning it's easier to hold your phone so you're less likely to drop it, but it's also a lot easier to take great pictures, I've found. They have grip minis and grip maxes, which I really like because they're available for MagSafe. This means that you can really quickly and easily change between designs. Right now, Rhino Shield is having a Black Friday sale of up to 60% all of their products, so it's a perfect time to go and check out their website. Also, with Christmas coming up, I feel like a phone case or accessory is a perfect gift, especially if you're not sure what to get someone. Rhino Shield's products are available for all iPhones and a lot of Android devices, and you can use my code Carmen for 10% off on top of the Black Friday promotion. The link to shop will be in the description. I haven't really done much today. I just went out for brunch with Amy, and since then I've been getting ready because today I'm going to Loyal Kana's release show, because you know how last night it was like Saint's release party? Loyal Kana, who's another, well, he's less of a rapper, more like R&B. He also released an album last night at midnight. It's weird that they both release albums literally same time, same night. But anyway, he's having like a release show. But a little recap of last night, because I feel like I couldn't like film a lot of it or kind of explain what was going on. I had such a great time. Like, it was in this really cool hotel called The Standard near King's Cross in like central London, and I thought it was gonna be more of like a show, like he'd be singing the new songs because the album did come out at midnight and we were there until maybe like 1, but I think he only performed one of the songs. To be fair, like no one would know any of them, so like that made sense. There were DJs. I got lots of pictures and videos, so check out my Instagram if you want to see any of those. I haven't posted any of them yet, but I probably will at some point. Amy also posted some, so I'll put her Instagram on the screen. I need to leave in like 15 minutes to get the train to Prism Kingston for this, just like a club venue, but it's for the Laurel Carmen show.
See me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a bottom to my rock.
I'm in a hurry, worry, what if they forget about me? I'm just an up and nothing when the triple bouncy. Moving for money, but there's nothing but them around me. So when the rest of family bucking in the brain,
Foggy glasses, all this emotion. Tried to tell her, but she probably didn't notice. She said
I got home a few hours ago, but basically I stayed over at my friend's last night. Now today I need to pack because we've been staying in this Airbnb. If you haven't seen any of my other recent videos, been staying in this Airbnb temporarily while our house is getting redone, but we're moving back into our actual house tomorrow, but also going to Edinburgh because I don't think the house is fully done, so I need to also pack for that.
nobody. I said, baby girl, you're wrong. She say she ain't got no purpose. I say, what you on? Girl, you're wrong. What you on? Girl, you're wrong. What you on? Shawty was a brick wall. Over, under, through her, none of that at all. She needs to be knocked down and rebuilt again.
I am now all packed up for Edinburgh and moving back into my house. So I'm just doing some artwork and watching a podcast. I have so much homework to do and I am not near finishing it, but I'm trying.
Maybe next fall she'll fall for somebody. Laying in my bed, look at the ceiling. I can't let them go. Now all these feelings trying to control, but I can't seem to. Yeah, I'm dazed and confused. I don't know what to do now. Am I fucked up? I get up from this dark place. Feel empty, but
It's the second day in Edinburgh now. I did film little bits yesterday, which you just saw after we got here because the weather was quite bad. We didn't really do much until dinner time, and then we went to this really nice restaurant for dinner. And then today we had breakfast in the hotel, then went on this like kind of underground tour thing. It's like kind of historical tour, like touristy thing. Then went to this art gallery, but I was planning on ending this video yesterday. I just forgot to film an outro, so thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to check out Rhino Shield, the link will be in the description.
my headspace, feel lonely with faces.